Hello, explorers! Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of rocks. So put on your thinking caps and get ready to uncover the secrets of these fascinating natural wonders. Did you know that rocks are all around us? They make up the earth beneath our feet, the mountains we see in the distance, and even some of the buildings we live and work in. But what exactly are rocks, and how are they formed? Let's go explore. Rocks are solid pieces of minerals or mineral-like matter that form our planet's crust. Imagine the Earth as a giant puzzle made of many different pieces, a bit like how rocks fit together to form the landscape. Rocks come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and every rock has a story to tell about how it was formed. Now, those stories can be divided into three main types: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Let's break them down. First up, we have igneous rocks. These are the party animals of the rock world because they form from molten material called magma. When magma from deep within the earth erupts through a volcano and cools down, it solidifies to become igneous rock. Think of it like melting chocolate and then letting it harden into a delicious candy bar. If the magma cools slowly underground, it forms rocks like granite, which can have large crystals. If it erupts to the surface and cools quickly, it makes rocks like basalt, which often has tiny crystals. Pretty cool, right? Next, let's uncover sedimentary rocks. These rocks are formed from the bits and pieces of other rocks and materials. Over time, weathering and erosion break down rocks into tiny particles. These particles are then carried away by wind, water, or ice, and they settle in layers. Imagine building a sandcastle at the beach. Each grain of sand represents a tiny fragment of a bigger rock. As more layers settle on top, they squeeze together and harden, creating what we know as sedimentary rocks. Some common examples include sandstone and limestone. Sometimes these rocks can even tell us about ancient environments, like when fossils of plants and animals get trapped within the layers. Last but not least, let's meet the metamorphic rocks. These rocks start off as either igneous or sedimentary rocks, but they go through a transformational journey, kind of like a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. When these rocks experience extreme heat and pressure, they change their structure and mineral composition. This can happen deep within the earth or even during a mountain-building event. An example of a metamorphic rock is marble, which comes from limestone, and schist, which originates from shale. The transformation process can create beautiful patterns, showcasing nature's artistic side. Now that we've met the three main types of rocks, let's talk about how they are all connected to the Earth. Think of it as a giant recycling system. The rock cycle is a continuous process where rocks are constantly changing from one type to another. Igneous rocks can break down to form sediments that become sedimentary rocks, which can then get transformed into metamorphic rocks. And if those rocks are pushed back into the earth, they can melt and become magma again. Understanding rocks is more than just knowing their names and types. It helps us learn about Earth's history, our environment, and even the resources we use every day. So next time you're outside and see rocks, remember their incredible journey from deep within the earth to the surface where we can explore and enjoy them. Until next time, keep exploring rock stars. There's always something new to discover in our amazing world.